In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a complete Wix email marketing tutorial, showing you exactly how to create an email campaign step by step using the Wix dashboard. This is perfect if you're a beginner, a small business owner, or anyone who wants to start sending professional emails without needing advanced design or marketing skills. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Wix tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, log into your Wix account and head over to your dashboard. Once you're inside, you'll land on the Home section by default. This is your central hub where you manage everything related to your website, including marketing tools, analytics, and design settings. Make sure you're selecting the correct site if you manage multiple Wix websites. Next, from the left-hand menu, click on Marketing. When the Marketing section opens up, look for Email Marketing and click on it. This will take you into Wix's built-in email marketing tool, where you can create newsletters, announcements, promotions, and automated emails for your audience. Once you're inside the email marketing area, Wix will ask how you want to get started. If you prefer a faster option, you can click on Use this template and choose from pre-designed email templates. These are great if you want something quick and already optimized. However, in this tutorial, I'm going to start from scratch so you can see the full process. So go ahead and click on Start from Scratch. Now you'll be taken into the email editor. From here, click on Themes. This is where you can control the overall look and feel of your email, including fonts, colors, and layout styles. Choosing the right theme helps your email stay consistent with your brand. After selecting a theme, click on Background. This allows you to customize the background color or style of your email. You can keep it clean and simple, or match it with your website branding, so everything looks professional and cohesive. Next, click on AI Emails. This is one of the most powerful features inside Wix email marketing. With AI emails, Wix can help you generate email content, subject lines, and layouts based on your goals. This is especially useful if you're not sure what to write or want to save time while still sending high-quality emails. From here, you can continue editing your email by adding text, images, buttons, and links. Once you're happy with the design and content, you can move on to setting your recipients, previewing the email, and scheduling or sending it right away. And that's it. You've now learned how to create an email marketing campaign in Wix step by step, from accessing the tool to customizing themes, backgrounds, and using AI-powered emails. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who's using Wix for their business or website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.